Nobody should suffer for something they can't control. Right now, period poverty is pressuring thousands of Australians to miss school, skip work, or risk their health purely because they can't afford a pad. It's not just uncomfortable, it's undignified, unsafe, and unfair.
However, access to these products is only a fraction of the problem. A lack of basic sex education, reproductive health, and hygiene knowledge and support leaves many uninformed, ashamed, and confused about their own bodies. So we wondered, what if we could supply people with more than just a pad? Our solution is Period, a scalable, sustainable social enterprise that provides free reusable period kits to those in need produced by pad sewing workshops in schools. Each kit will include 3 reusable cloth pads, sewing materials, fabric, and a sex ed pamphlet.
Each sex ed pamphlet tackles topics such as abnormal symptoms, expectations of the period cycle, types of menstrual products and use, birth control and abortion options, STDs, consent, puberty, washing reusable pads, and helplines. Reports from Share the Dignity highlight that in Australia, 64% of menstruators have struggled to afford period products. It's estimated that on average, a person who menstruates spends $10,000 in their lifetime on products like pads and tampons, not including pain management. A single one of our pads prevents over 1,300 disposables from reaching landfill, saving each person hundreds per year. In our scalable model, we aim to offer heat packs and storage bags as our enterprise expands. To fund the project, we'll be running 3-hour all-material provided sewing classes in schools as a part of sex ed, teaching grades 9 to 11 how to sew pads, equipping them with skills that continue to help beyond our aid. These produced pads will then be donated to people in need. Our school will provide us with facilities.
With startup costs of just $372.16, we can produce 120 packs to donate. In future, the production of these goods will increase, along with employees, when we generate enough income. Our startup costs have been fully funded by the Arana Leagues Club, who have graciously given us the support we need to run a trial class. However, what we still need is approximately $2,000 to cover employees, mentoring, and bulk buying for future. Our marketing strategy utilises the school network, social media campaigning, and partnerships to reach a diverse audience. And in a saturated market of period products, we are the only ones who offer this hands-on education model in school curriculum. Compared to competitors, we provide both education and donations, setting us apart, allowing us to give people not only an added sense of security through taught skills, but address underlying issues and to provide a simple but self-sustaining solution.
Because when access disappears, skills stay.